Hi, and welcome to this Green Trees Adventure Store sneak preview of the brand new Swift Challenger and Conqueror range. So, what's new? I've been doing this for 26 years, and there's not many times when I'm generally absolutely gobsmacked with the technological advances made in one step. Take a look at these new complete concept monocoque caravans with the brand new roof light built into the front. Take a look, see what you think. We'll show you the Challenger and the Conqueror.
Hi, as you know, I'm Mark Jordan from Green Tree Adventure Stores. I'm here today up in Hull at the preview of the new Swift Caravan launch with Gary O'Brien, the National Sales Manager, and today he's basically going to talk us through the new range of Challengers and Conquerors. So Gary, what's new?
Very exciting, Mark. We've worked very hard over the last 12 months to get where we are today. The product in terms of Challenger and Conqueror is completely new from wheels upwards.
Yeah.
We've done a lot of work in terms of exterior look, new front panel, new rear panel, GRP, glass reinforced plastic, which is easier to repair and less susceptible to dents, especially the front panel. Coupled the vehicle that we're in is the Conqueror, and the Conqueror also benefits from the panoramic roof window, which you can see above us. That is got to be the first in the industry to have that type of feature. We've worked hard with our motorhome division, which we've been building motorhomes for over 25 years, and part of the display and the way that the design and engineering has been done, it's very much automotive background. So we've got not only the panoramic roof window, but we've got this tremendous curvature in the front roof line, which, as you can see sat here, really opens the front of the caravan up and lets a lot more light in.
Absolutely, and from the outside it looks quite stunning because you've got the black all-in-one, panoramic, looks really modern, completely different, just completely changes the shape of the van.
Yeah, it certainly would be quite dominant on the road. I mean, if you look at the average tow car with this behind it, it would certainly make quite a nice presence. And for us, it's all about creating the desire to change your caravan. And when a customer's got a 2 to 3 year old caravan, it's always a challenge from a design point of view to bring something innovative into the design process to make the customer buy another one. And we think we've really hit the nail here in making sure that this feature is not only standard on Conqueror, but more important, is an option on Challenger.
Absolutely.
And we think at this stage, around about the £500 mark, we think this will be a very popular feature to have.
Sure. And I understand that rather than take a risk and go for something completely obscure on the actual body, you stayed with your tried and tested methods.
Yes, yeah. I mean, tried and tested way of manufacturing is something that we're very keen on. Obviously, with new ways of manufacturing come risks. We've not had a situation where we've had problems with exterior body problems. So, the old adage, if it's not broke, don't try and mend it. But what we've tried to do is add to it and bring new materials in to base it on tried and tested way of manufacturing, but bring other key components in just to round the package off a little bit. And certainly what we've done here, both in terms of the front and rear panels along with the roof line, really sets a standard. So wherever we can, if it works, keep to that system, and this will be the shape of caravanning from Swift for years to come.
Fantastic. And you've got some new layouts as well?
Yes, some new layouts in the Challenger range. We're particularly focusing in on the new layout. Really is the single axle, 2 fixed single beds.
Yep, you've brought that one back again, popular demand, I guess?
Yeah, well, we had it before, but we always had that layout with a centre washroom, which didn't really seem to do much for us, and that's why a couple of 3 or 4 seasons ago, due to demand really, we let that layout go. But this new layout has the benefit of an end bathroom.
Sure.
So it's got a double at the front, similar to where we are here. centre kitchen, centre wardrobe area, but when you go up towards the back of the caravan you walk past the 2 single beds and into quite a large rear washroom area. So, and it's on a single axle. So we're very, very excited about that, and judging by the forward orders we've had for that product, there's obviously a demand that we've not hit before.
Great. And Conqueror, you've got a new layout with an island bed, you turned it around. And
yeah, twin axle Conqueror, the 2 layouts in particular, the 630 Conqueror and the 645 Conqueror. The 630 first off is a layout that we've changed around a little bit. We moved the fixed bed from the offside to the near side, put a low level TV unit in which drops down from above, similar to the Challenger 570, and put a big fridge freezer on the other side, on the offside by the kitchen, and moved it away from the door where it was previously, and that's opened up the caravan tremendously.
Great.
645 is a real talking point. As you can see here today, you can hardly get in it, and that's a transverse fixed bed across the back end, obviously fitted transversely, but with the added feature that the bed could be slid away by about 6 or 7 inches, which gives you freedom to get to the bathroom and walk around the caravan during the day, and then when you want to make it into a full length double bed, you can pull it out and you've still got limited access, but you can still get around to the bed in the evening, in the middle of the night.
Fantastic. That's great. So this new product obviously is going to be up at the NEC, but I understand that dealers, we're going to be receiving them back in base on a September.
Yeah, the first initial layouts will start moving through in the first week in September. It is model specific. These vehicles you've got here we are at the end of August, are very much based on prototypes and show units, but the main production will start from the first week in September and finish around about the late November, depending on the model. So they will start moving through, and yeah, we're looking forward to it. Tremendous demand, a huge demand from the dealers, which is always a good sign.
Yep.
And yeah, forward orders to date are fantastic, so look forward to it.
There you go. So the new Swift, I think we'll all agree, certainly from what I've seen in the industry the last 8 years, looks better than what it ever has done. It's going to be at our forecourts mid-September time, ready for a preview. So come down, have a look, see what you think, and have a chat to us about your deal.